Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I want to talk to you today or tell you about the truth about your fall pre-emergent timing. If you do some research on this, look this up online, you'll find a lot of hard dates, a lot of hard deadlines to get your pre-emergent out. The most common one we hear about or see is Labor Day, that you got to get your application out by Labor Day. And the reality is, whether it's fall pre-emergent or spring pre-emergent, the timing of it revolves around weather. It's all weather related. It's temperature related, soil temperature related. That's how you determine when's a good time to apply your pre-emergent. Well, the people that come up with these deadlines, they are using historical weather data to do so, weather records to come up with these deadlines, and that's good. That gives you, it's a good starting point. And it also gives you something tangible to work with. People are much more likely to follow through with an application if they have a deadline like that. But the danger in them is that if you miss that deadline, a lot of people will just assume that it's a lost cause, and they skip the application altogether, and that is a problem. You should not do that. These applications will work for an extended period of time after any of these deadlines that you read about online. They are still effective. The way these products work, if you're using the stuff you just buy off the shelf, like your Dimensions and your Galleries and whatnot, those types of pre-emergents, if you apply them too early, you'll get coverage early on, and then you'll have some breakthrough later on in the season. On the flip side, if you apply them too late, you'll have breakthrough early on, and you'll have good coverage later on in the season. But either way, you are going to get a benefit from it. So sticking to a hard date can be problematic if you're going to skip the application altogether because you missed the deadline. So bottom line, get out there. Even if it's past whatever deadline you read online, get out there and apply your pre-emergent. It's still going to be very helpful. Now, I've said before, talked about this before, our applications go all the way through the end of October. Most lawn care companies do the same, and that's because we use different products that allow us to do so. They buy us an extended period of time, and they're still very, very effective. And that's the difference in what we do and what most people use, most of the products people use off the shelf. So, hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Feel free to contact us, and we'll answer any questions you have. But again, the bottom line is, no matter what deadline you've seen, get out there and get your pre-emergent down right now. It still will be effective. Hope that helps. Thanks.